Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. So this tutorial will be consist of in many number of videos, small videos, in which I'm gonna teach you how to basic to advanced simple queries, SQL queries. Okay. So as we are talking about the database, so of course, why the need of database? Of course, to store the database. So here we are talking about the relational database management system. So for better security and integrity, data integrity, so data can be easily shared and due to RDBMS, so well-structured data as the data is stored in rows and columns and it is easily accessible. So let's start with the SQL tutorial. So today is the day one. So today we'll see how to create a database and then inside that database how to create a table. As as the data is stored inside a table, for that we need a database, and inside the database we can have multiple tables. So for instance, let's keep it simple. We'll first create a database. So I'm using the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So if you haven't downloaded, so please download. So this is the SQL Server, and so let's create a database. So query to create a database is create a database. So simple, create database and followed by database under name. So this is the simple syntax to create a database. Create database. So let's say test underscore db. I'm gonna execute this. Let's say SQL db. It is already exists, so I'm gonna change the database name. So as you can see, command completed successfully. That means the database is successfully created. So as you can see here we have the database. Now inside this, I'm gonna create a table. So create a table. So query is create again table underscore name. So create. So this is the basic syntax. Create table. So let's say employee. So let's say I have inside my I want in the employee table I want ID, so which should be data type int, followed by it should be primary key, followed by first name, which should be varchar, and length should be 20 characters, and then last name varchar again it should be let's say 20 characters. So the syntax is quite simple. Create table employee followed by the column name I want. So column name followed by the data type and then constraint. So here I'm going to keep my ID as my primary key followed by the other two columns, that is first name and last name, varchar of 20 characters. So command completed successfully. So let's see. For that I'm using the select clause, select start from employee. So as I'm currently inside the SQL DB database, as you can see here, left side top corner, SQL DB, inside the SQL DB, I am writing one query, select start from employee. So as you can see here, currently there is no record, so only the column names is visible. So in this way, we can create the database and then followed by inside that database, we can create a table and then followed by the columns which we want. Then- So in the next video, we'll see how to insert and update the values. So thanks for watching.